Okay, the next property we're going to talk about is kind of color. I just want to show you an example of why color is just not a good way to determine a mineral. So I have some minerals here, and a couple others. There we go. So here's an example of why color is just not a good determiner. If you look at all these samples, there you go, nice and clear. They're all clear. Look, this is clear. That's also another clear mineral. Here's another mineral that happens to be clear, and another mineral. All of these minerals are clear. They're all different minerals. They all have different properties. So when we look at these, we really don't want to use color to determine, because look, there's all different ones. And if I had diamond, diamond's also very clear as well. So that's not really a good determiner. So we want to look for other qualities. There are certainly other qualities that make these distinguishable. Like this one is flexible in thin sheets, right? That's the quality that we're looking at. That's what makes this mineral different than, let's say, this mineral. This mineral seems to have broken off in a very fractured pattern, doesn't it? It's not really, there's no order to the breakage here. And then look at this one. This one, there is an order to the breakage. It's like a rectangle shape, right? That's the property we're looking at. And then look at this one. This is actually like a rectangle that got pushed over on its side. So you guys can tell that these are two different minerals because of the shape that they make. This one actually, it's angled over. It's almost like pushed over on its side. So that's a quality. So all these are different minerals because they exhibit different qualities. And I just wanted to show you color is not a good determiner. I'll go even further and say, look at this. We have, these are actually the same mineral. They have a similar fracture, right? But this one's pink and this one's clear. These two are actually the same mineral, but one is green and one is clear. So color is not the best indicator. So you really have to watch out when you determine with different types of color. It's not a good way to determine what kind of mineral you have. There are other properties that you should be using instead.